I have to say the buzz around the exhibition and the footfall, I've been really impressed by it all, and honestly we haven't had a break all day, and the inquiries that are coming on are all genuine inquiries.
We're talking here about sustainability, for example. We're talking about advanced manufacturing. We had a couple of speakers on. That gave us a chance to promote what we were doing, and the audience has been very encouraging again.
We've been delighted to be here. We would have put a lot of work in our marketing and our stand to be here today. Everybody's been really open. We've made some fantastic connections. It's been a really good event.
It's been a really busy event, which has been fantastic. Definitely the crowd has been brilliant. Yeah, no, it's been a good mix of people that are in manufacturing, people that have their own small businesses that are maybe starting up and unsure of where this might be used.
Sometimes you get a lot of, I suppose, people who are just kind of floating around and have no interest, but the conversations we're having here are people who are genuinely interested in the technology, and we've a lot to follow up on the back of a couple of hours here, so we're very pleased overall.
Today is interesting. The buzz is pretty high. There's a lot of footfall. We've had some interesting conversations in relation to the green energy, sustainability and the digitisation of businesses. So first impressions from our members who are here is that they've had some good leads from the event also.